Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine x squared. So I will put this one to change cosine 2x. Now, with the negative sign, we need to change on the side of this one. So we have negative number 1 plus 2 sine x squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Number 2 I will put outside. We know that cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sine x squared. This is about trigonometric identity. So number 1 divided by sine x squared and sine x squared divided by sine x squared. So you got about 1 over sine x squared minus number 1. And this one, that's about cosecant of x squared. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosecant of x squared, you got about negative cosine x. The integration of negative number 1, you got about negative x. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.